Kawawa naman. Oh, wala pa yan silang lunch.
Hindi ko kaya. Ingat kayo kayo.
Bye-bye! Spicy talaga. Mukha nito. Okay, I'm home. Here's the door. And you know this. It's kind of clean now because I swept the floor. That's our new ref. Kitchen. It's not still okay. That's my bed over there. First come, first serve. Hey guys, welcome again to my vlog. This is Shem and it's my MA life here. So naglipat na naman ako ng bagong unit last July at ito yon. So ang dami kong gamit. Feeling ko tuloy may family ako with 4 children. Pagod na pagod pa ako niyan galing ASI, but pinili ko nang maglipat agad para hindi na ako mahirapan at makapag-settle na din since marami din akong gagawin. And akala ko din that time, kasi July ito, akala ko din makakauwi ako that time sa Mindanao pero hindi pala. So, ayun, I have 4 roommates by the way. Akala namin 5 kami dyan pero hindi rin natuloy yung isa kasi kailangan niya ng separate room with someone. Hindi niya kaya yung maramihan. So, naging 4 kami dyan from July to December. So, hindi ko alam kung sila pa rin magiging roommate ko next year. But, I hope na ma-enjoy pa namin yung months na magsasama-sama kami until next year na maglilipatan ulit. And this time also, I had a time to go out with my friends. Medyo miss na miss ko na talaga to silang dalawa. Hindi namin sinama si Noah. And on the same day, mayroon din kaming victory party ng ALSI. Ayan, graduate kami ng internship namin and Ate Neri was still alive at that time. Nagkataon pa talaga na birthday niya at that time. And of course, syempre, namimiss din namin yung mga classmate namin, yung bardagula namin. So, kakabalik lang, pero ayun na, nagsawayanay na may anak, ay puro man minanampo kalos. Dagko kayong mga nawong after sa ASI, sige pa naman og kaon. And so, here are the few moments of our ALSI celebration. And of course, we're so grateful to the Lord for how He has brought us through. And then on the next day, mayroon kami ginawang ALSI debriefing as a team. So, kasama ko dyan si Richard, yung team leader namin. Si Kuya Redson, yung vice team leader. And then si Godoy. And at the same time, si Francis. And then after that, we also did our second time na team time. Ayan. So, natuloy din yung karaoke na napag-usapan namin. So, naalala namin ng sponsor pala ng event na ito is yung tatay ni Godoy. Kasi yung pa-birthday niya kay Godoy, sinama na din niya kami. So, ayun, nalibre kami ng pagkain in Galaan. So, we're so happy at that time. Although ako that time talagang naragpang gawin as a treasurer. Dinala ko pa talaga yung trabaho ko doon. At doon pa nagpermahan. Kasi after nito, maghihiwalay na kami dahil kanya-kanya na kami ng bakasyon. And at that time, I look forward ko rin sana na makauwi sa Mindanao. Pero hindi pala. So, this is it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hope to see you soon. Bye! Okay, thank you.